When using Resource Updating Manager, it is essential to configure the tool with correct credentials. Otherwise, the processing of resources or especially moving computers will not work. In QMM 8.8, we can set the credentials on each collection separately. We go to the Properties, specify domain credentials, and here we can add our credentials. The GUI is helpful. We specify for which domain we want to specify the credentials, and then we put the credentials as domain /username format and type the password for our account. RUM will use this account when accessing computers in this particular domain. Now we are going to do the same for the target domain, because in this migration we have two domains, source and target domain. If you have multiple domains, you need to specify a separate account for each domain. Now if we go and check the properties of our another collection, we will notice that there are no credentials. This means this collection cannot work. In big migrations, it is a good idea to highlight the root level of the collections and then go and specify the credentials for absolutely all collections. Again, we specify an account domain /username. We make sure we don't mistype the account. And we do it again for the source and for the target domain. It is important that we use the account from the same domain. In this case, I decided to use a source account when processing computers in the target domain. This will not work. It needs to be an account from the target domain. Once more, we need to specify an account from each domain. When this has been done, we can now go and look up our first collection. We will see that credentials are inherited. They propagate all the way down, they grayed out, but we still can go and modify and change them if needed. Once this has been done, we need to go and restart the RUM controller service, and then the changes will apply. And after the service has been restarted, we can start using RUM and process resources and migrate computers.